Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin HRM Pro Plus. First, wear the strap directly on your skin, just below your sternum. Make sure the Garmin logo faces upwards. Before starting your activity, moisten the two electrodes on the back of the strap with a little water. This simple step significantly improves conductivity, ensuring accurate heart rate data from the very beginning of your workout. It's a crucial first step for reliable performance. To pair with a Garmin device, bring your HRM Pro Plus within 3 meters of your watch or cycling computer. Navigate to the sensor menu on your Garmin device. From there, select the option to add new sensor. Your device will then search for and display the HRM Pro Plus. Simply select it from the list to establish a connection, and you'll be ready to track your heart rate data seamlessly. The HRM Pro Plus offers versatile connectivity, supporting both ANT Plus and Bluetooth Low Energy. This means you can easily connect it to a wide range of third-party fitness apps, gym equipment, or other compatible devices. Simply open the sensor settings within your desired app or device, initiate a search for new sensors, and select the HRM Pro Plus when it appears. This flexibility ensures your heart rate data is available wherever you train. A great feature of the HRM Pro Plus is its ability to store up to 18 hours of heart rate data, even when your device isn't present. Once your activity is complete and you're back within range, the strap automatically forwards this stored data to your Garmin device. Remember to replace the CR2032 battery approximately every 12 months for optimal performance. This ensures continuous, accurate tracking of your efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.